Hi everyone, tonight I'll show you this new light meter that I have. So it comes with silver and black models. The bottom, the front, left, right, and this is the top. Alright. So each of them, they come with the hot shoe mount. You can adjust the you can choose where to mount it based on the holes here, so you can see which position you prefer and put it on. And we're going to talk about the function. The dial will change the values of the meter. Then for example, like now it's on shutter priority mode, so it will show the corresponding aperture as I change the shutter speed. Yeah. Okay. So when I want to change the mode, besides that, of course, I can change the ISO through here, and then I can change the mode, shutter priority, to aperture priority mode. Yeah. So now it's aperture priority mode, and as I change the aperture, the value will change. Yeah. So there you go. The screen flickers, I think, because of the shutter speed of my camera now that I'm using. In real life, I don't see a flicker. So there you go. If you like this product, you can let me know if I can sell it to you. And if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Yeah. Usually it doesn't flicker, maybe because it's very bright now and my camera changed shutter. Thank you. Bye. See you.